So in today's price, as you can see here, this was 9:30 open, right? This was 9:30 open, and after 9:30 open, I always look for a fast presentable fair value gap, right? And to me, I took this as the first presentable fair value gap, right? The price went up, yeah. This is the 9:30 candle, right? So according to how I learned, I don't use the 9:30 candle as a fair value gap. I just wait for fair value gap to form after 9:30 candle, right? So this was my first presentable fair value gap, as you can see, and also this one was another fair value gap here, right? So for me at start, my bias was bearish because there was this gap. These two lines here is the new week opening gap, and this is the gap. This is the gap, and my bias was bearish. I was waiting for the price now to come down and fill this gap, right? So I entered my first trade at this week here. I treated this week as a fair value gap also. I entered short, but the price went up, and I just had to take up the trade because it was going against my direction. Yeah, so I just had to wait the price to take this buy side liquidity. Yeah, and after taking the buy side liquidity, the price now started dropping, right? Yeah, so for me at this level, this fair value gap was supposed to be my entry because the price just went down. Yeah, it passed this fair value gap, and also the candle came and wicked the gap before it continued going down. So this was supposed to be my potential one, but I was hesitant in my trade. I was hesitant to enter the trade, and yeah, that's how it is. I just have to be confident. I just have to remind myself that I just have to be confident. Yeah, I don't have to wait for the price to to go in that place that I want. Yeah, as long as the trade is going to your direction, you just enter where you see it's favorable. Yeah, you don't have to have a right entry. Yeah, that's what I've learned today. And the price was just going down, as you can see, from here it wasn't just a low resistance liquidity run. The price just went down and just reached the new week opening gap high, right? Afterwards it consolidated, and then at the start of 10 this I entered my first entry here, my second entry. My first entry did not go well at this level. Yeah, I missed this, but it's fine. That's how it is. Yeah, I was just hesitant, and yeah, that's how it is. So I entered my second trade here, and my third trade after the price. So the price was going up. I entered my third trade there, and I expected the price to go below. Yeah, I expected the price to go at least here, that was my target, right? At first it was here. Yeah, I expected the price to come and take this low here. Yeah, this sell side liquidity, right? So at the start of 10, after this bearish run, the price at the start of 10 o'clock was just accumulating. Yeah, it was just a high resistance liquidity run, of which it was unfavorable to trade, right? And the trade I entered two trades, right? Of which my first trade, my partial was at this level here, of which it was taken. Yeah, and my second one was there down, but the price at this level was just accumulating. Yeah, and it was unfavorable to trade. Yeah, so I just had to, after taking my first partial, my second, the price now was just going up. I just had to take off the trade because I wasn't expecting like this gap here. I wasn't expecting the price to go above this gap. That's when I just had to take off the trade, right? And I entered the last trade at this level, and I saw like a minor shift, yeah, a minor market shift here, and I just entered short. My target was here, but my daily target is 35 handles, and since I was just lacking 10 handles, I just had to get out of the trade, right? Because I saw like the price was not going, like it was just it was having a high resistance liquidity run, so I wasn't like for me, like in this trade I wasn't fully conversant about it. Like I wasn't sure about the price going down at that level, so I just had to take off the trade, right? So even though the price after 10, the price just went well, and then it traded down, right? It traded down, and yeah, even though it just reached my target, I'm just I'm just I'm just okay with it, right? I'm just okay, even though it has just gone to my target. This is what happened the previous weeks. Like, yeah, I've seen this happening, right? And I'm okay with that. I know it happened, and I just have to be prepared for this, right? So I just have to be like to know when this kind of thing happens, yeah, whether there is high resistance liquidity run. And today there was no any news, yeah, in the market, so the price was just doing its own thing, right? But at this level, the price was just well, it ended up well, yeah, it went down well, and yeah, all is good. So let me just show you my trades, how I entered 4 trades. That's the thing, I entered 4 trades. My first one was there. It did not go as planned, you see. I entered at this week, a 50% level, and when I saw it going against me, I just had to take it off. Yeah, the second one, and third one was here, and my first partial was at this level, and and here, seeing the price was not go or was not respecting this fair value gap, I just had to take it off. Yeah, and then my last trade I entered here, and then had to take it off here because I saw like the price was not going good direction. So my target today was 40 handles, and yeah, even though the price went down eventually, all is well, and just wait for tomorrow, right? Because tomorrow there will be news drive, yeah. So for today, like it was just a moment to just interpret to see what, like how you could have just entered in the market, but yeah, that's how it is, yeah. And after I'd missed this, after I'd missed this, I was just having that feeling to enter, but I just had to like to feel to be calm, yeah. Even though like I entered, I felt like as if I wasn't trading this the way I wanted to, yeah. But I'll just wait for tomorrow and see what will happen. So if you find this insightful, just give a thumbs up, and yeah, I just wish you well, and take care, be safe.